Hello students, welcome to Tej Academy. Myself Manoj and I will teach you mental ability and mathematics for your Nmms exam. So in today's class, let us discuss about number series. First of all, what is a number series? It is just a line of numbers that follow a secret rule. For example, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, this is a number series. So here we have to find the secret rule. So if you observe these numbers, so if you add plus 2 to the 2, so if you add plus 2 to the 2, you will get plus 4, and if you add plus 2 to 4, you will get plus 6, and if you add plus 2 to 6, you will get plus 8. So our secret rule is adding plus 2. So if you add 8 plus 2, you will get number 10. So this is our next number. So in number series, we have to find the secret rule, and using that secret rule, we have to find the next number in the series. Okay. So now before getting into this lesson, I want to share you some information about Nmms test series, which is recently launched in our Tej Academy app. So to enroll in this test series, you do please visit Play Store and download our app and log in into our app. Then you will get an interface like this. So here you can find store option. So if you click on the store option, again you can find an interface like this. Here at the bottom you can observe there is Nmms test series 2025. So if you enroll in this test series, you can get chapter based test, 10 mock tests which include MAT and SAT, and instant results and performance analysis, and you can learn time management skill and practice like a real exam, and you can boost your accuracy and confidence. So let's begin our session. So to find the rule, we need to be friends with some special numbers. So first let us remember some squares like 1 to 30 squares. So here is the chart of the square numbers from 1 to 30. So for example, you all know that 5 square is 25, 15 square is 225. So like that, 25 square is 625. So like that you have to remember from 1 to 30 square numbers. And next, here is the cube chart. So you have to remember the cubes at least from 1 to 20. So for example, you all know that 3 cube is 27 and 6 cube is 216 like this, and 20 cube is 8000. So like this you have to remember till 20 cubes. Okay, so the next one is prime numbers and composite numbers. So you have to remember the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So in this you have to remember the prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. Like this you have to remember till 100. Okay, so the next one is even numbers. So you have to remember the even numbers from 1 to 100 like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So like this you have to remember till 100. And odd numbers also you have to remember from 1 to 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like that, so on. And next you have to remember some exponents of 2 to 9. So for example, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3, 8, so 4, 16, to the power 5, 32. So like this, at least you have to remember power of 2 till 5, and power of 3 till 5, and power of 4 till 5, and power of 5 till 5. Okay. And of course, you all know your tables from 1 to 20, right? So this is our basic tool. Once we know these numbers well, finding the secret rule in a series becomes very easy. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to find the secret rule step by step. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin the session. So first of all, let us look after the questions with simple addition. Okay, here is our first question. So if you look at this question, so here if you add plus 2 to 2, you will get plus 4, and plus 2 to 4 you will get plus 6, and plus 2 to 6 you will get plus 8, and plus 2 to 8 you get plus 10. So our secret rule is adding plus 2. So if you add plus 2 to 10 you will get 12. So 12 is our answer. Okay, so now let us see the second question. Here it is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. So the next one is 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so now let us see the third question. So here is the third question. So if you observe this number 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. So you can observe that. So if you add plus 4 to 13 you will get plus 17, and plus 4 to 17 you get plus 21, and plus 4 to 21 you'll get 25, and plus 4 to 25 you'll get 29. So now to find the next number in the series you should add plus 4 to 29. So 29 plus 4 it is 33. So this is our answer. So now let us see the fourth question. So here is the fourth question. 12, 17, 22, 27, 32. So if you observe, if you add 12 plus 5 you'll get 17, and 17 plus 5 is 22, and 22 plus 5 is 27, and 27 plus 5 is 32. So now to find the next number we have to add plus 5 to the 32. So 32 plus 5 is 37. So 37 is our answer. So now let us see the fifth question. So it is 3, 9, 15, 21 and 27. So if you add plus 6 to 3 we will get plus 9, and plus 6 to 9 you will get plus 15, and plus 6 to 15 you will get 21, and 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. So now to find the next number we have to add plus 6 to 27. So 27 plus 6 is equal to again 33. Okay, so like this they can ask you question based on plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 11 and so on. So this is one type of questions they are asking in our Nmms exam. So now let us see the next question. It is 2, 3, 5, 8 and 12. So if you observe here, if you add plus 1 to 2 you will get plus 3. If you add plus 2 to 3 you will get plus 5. So if you add plus 3 to 5 you will get plus 8. If you add plus 4 to 12 you will get 12. So now, so here if you see these all are natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So next you have to add plus 5 to 12. So it gives 17. So 17 is our answer. So now let us see the seventh question. So here is the seventh question. 1, 3, 7, 13 and 21. So if you see here 1, if you add plus 2 to 1 you will get plus 3, and 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13, and 13 plus 8 is 21. So now if you see here 2, 4, 6, 8 these all are even numbers. So the next even number is plus 10. So if you add 21 plus 10 you will get 31. So 31 is our correct answer. So now let us see the eighth question. Here is our eighth question. 2, 3, 6, 11 and 18. So 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. So if you observe here 1, 3, 5, 7, these are odd numbers. So the next odd number after 7 is plus 9. So 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. So 27 is the next number which occurs in this number series. So this is our correct answer. So now let us see the next question. So here is our ninth question. It is 4, 6, 9, 14 and 21. So if you observe here, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 and 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So if you observe this number 2, 3, 5, 7, so these are prime numbers. Yes. So the next prime number after 7 is, it is 11. So 21 plus 11 is equal to 32. So our next number in this series is 32. Okay, so let us go to the 10th question. So here is our 10th question, 0, 4, 10, 18 and 27. So if we observe this number, so 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 6 equal to 10 and 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 and 18 plus 9 is equal to 27 and we have to find the next number. So if we observe this number 4, 6, 8 and 9, so these are composite numbers. So the next composite number after 9 is plus 10. So 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. So this is the next number in this series. So now let us go to the 11th question. So if you observe the 11th question, the series is 1, 2, 6, 15 and 31. So if you see here, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 9 is 15 and 9 plus 16 is 21. So if you observe these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, these are square numbers. So the next square number after 16 is 25. So 31 plus 25 is equal to 56. So 56 is our answer. Okay, so now let us see the 12th question. Here is our 12th question, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 11. So if you observe these numbers, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, again 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 12. So if you see the pattern or the rule, if you are adding plus 1 plus 2, plus 1 plus 2 like this. So now next we have to add plus 1, right? Okay, so 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So our next number in the series is 12. So this is one another type of question, like plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 like this. So now let us see the 13th question. So here is our 13th question, 7, 9, 13, 15 and 19. So if you see 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13 and 13 plus 2 is equal to 15 and 15 plus 4 is equal to 9. So if you see the series here, we are adding plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So next you have to add plus 2. So 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. So this is our right answer. Okay, 21 is our answer. So now let us see the final question, that is 14th question, 5, 6, 11, 12 and 17. So if you observe here, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12 and 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So if you observe here, it is plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. So next we have to add plus 1 to the 17. So 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. So our next number in the series is 18. So this is one type of question. So they are asking in our NMMS exam under Nmms series. I hope these 14 questions are clear to you. This is today's session. If you find session is help to you, so please like and subscribe to our Tej Academy. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.